What's up, guys? We're here at Muddy Creek Raceway. Super pumped, back at racing again. We had a small 2-week break. Track got a little bit of rain today, but it's looking like it's drying out pretty fast right now. Tomorrow's looking like it's going to be about 90 degrees, probably some nice humidity, and hopefully no rain. Sunday looks the same, so we got a clear weekend ahead, and we're ready to put it all on the track again. You know, our fitness showed last weekend that we were ready for anything in that heat, and we're ready to do it again. And you know, hopefully in some extreme conditions. If not, just go out there, have fun, try to get on the podium, and maintain the points lead I have right now.
And I've been chilling, watching the ocean with you, baby, up with a slow motion crew. And we up in our clouds when people change, but not us. And we just chilling, kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the monsoon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. 'Cause you got me holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, play me like a bass guitar, simmer down and mash me up, tripping like I'm Jimmy at Woodstock. Drive me around in your red Ford, shivers down my spinal cord. Oh, 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 oh. 'Cause you got me holding, holding. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it.
hot as could be out here today, and we were ready for it again. And you know, we're looking forward to Sunset Ridge next, and you know, extending my points lead a little bit today. And I just want to keep it going, click off some more motos, and have fun doing it.
We made some good setup changes. Machine worked great. Came up to second, and just came out second on the weekend. So we'll push to Illinois and get ready for my backyard race.
We just executed pretty decent starts and hung in there. I really got to figure out those guys' pace though. They're on another level. So, but I can sit here and say I'm angry, but I'm pretty dang pumped. So, yeah, looking forward to the next race and going to work and see what we can do.